Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we are going to do a quick sketch of a person in flight. And we are showing this from the side. If you would like to check out other videos that we have put out with people flying, we have done quite a few of those and we have shown them from different angles, but this is one other important angle. So there's foreshortening involved in this particular pose. That is the torso. That's always a good starting point. And then we have the lower body right there, legs going back. So knee somewhere around here, shin and calf here, and the foot right around there. And then we have the shoulder set. So the chest somewhere around here. We have the shoulder set right around here. So what we'll do is just put out the core aspect that will keep stable through the stances that we are going through here, and that is the head. So X shape and looking forward. And from here on, of course, we will explore different options. So an Adam's apple would not be wrong to show here because it's really like jutting outward. So we have the neck going into the chest there, into the rib cage, abs, lower body. And then we have the leg, and essentially straight and curved and or smooth and straight and slightly curved shin, and the feet going like that, bulge in the calf, lower thigh, and glutes, and going into the upper back and meeting right about there. Now the bulk, I will make this a little more bulky. So all of those aspects can change, but that is the primary frame that we put in. And then of course we have the delt right here. And there's a few different things that we can really do with this. It's a very fun pose. So one is, and it's all like foreshortening. So one is we go right out, and we've done this in other videos, so please do check that out. So let's say that we are showing hands going backward. So we do the circles here. 2 and 3 will be enough. So in that frame, we are going to throw in our, let's say, our hand. I'm just trying to grab a pen here that will do justice and come through all this mess that I've just created. So going into the chest here, lat and neck are right there, so delt, just a portion showing, and we go right out into the forearm, and we go right out into the outstretched hand. And then we come back also coinciding with that. So there's the forearm, elbow, slight trace of the elbow, curvature of the triceps, and going right back. And then we can of course have the hand stretch out also in a way of in a foreshortened way, 2, 3, 4, depending on what we want to really depict here. So we could go 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and just put in a finger set quickly and have a foreshortening angle of outstretched arm from this particular angle. In the background, for effect, we could show the other hand coinciding with this one, and so somewhere right there, elbow, hand. So circles would actually help if you go like this, but this much will be sufficient. We just do an elbow like that, and then outstretched hand on the other end if we need that, but it's not really necessary. Or if we slightly tilt the angle like this, show a bit of the chest here. In that case, we open the room for showing the coinciding delt and can go really go out and show the other hand on the across the other side, depending on how much we want to really foreshorten here. But those two options can really work. Also, we can have the delt go back. Let's say that that is a fist. And of course, we'll have to change the placement of the pec to coincide with the delt here. We could do that, or we could also have the elbow bent like that. And on the other side, if we still keep that angle, the primary one or this one, we could have the coinciding delt and show an outstretched arm like that. So different options. Let's actually highlight one of them because this is understandably quite messy, and we are going to rectify that in quick order. And this really, if we choose to do this as a flying pose, this really stands out. But we have all those different options if we can just place one frame going that way, and we did not need to change the back or the legs or even the head. It can look down, but looking that way, it has much more effect whether the arms are like spread out, going backward, or going this way. So please do check out our other videos as well, and we do put out content almost every day. So please subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.